Some motorcycle engines just don't quit. These machines have been known to outlive riders, with many reaching well beyond 100,000 miles, and they're still going strong. What makes them so indestructible? Let's dive into the 13 engines that defy time and keep running forever. Engine number 13. Suzuki SV650 engine. It is the quintessential example of a motorcycle that delivers the goods and keeps on going. Powered by a 645 cubic centimeter V-twin engine, it's been known to endure over 85,000 miles without requiring major engine work. The liquid-cooled, fuel-injected engine is a workhorse, built with a lightweight frame that enhances its longevity. Riders swear by its reliability, and it's no wonder. Its design ensures top-notch performance for years. The SV650 thrives on simple maintenance, like regular oil changes and valve adjustments, ensuring it keeps running strong. This engine is lightweight, reliable, and built to last, making it a favorite for both beginner and experienced riders alike. Number 12. Kawasaki KLR650 engine. For adventure seekers and off-road enthusiasts, this is often the go-to choice. This 651 cubic centimeter single-cylinder engine is rugged and robust, easily surpassing 100,000 miles when maintained properly. It features an air-cooled design that's simple yet incredibly durable. Its uncomplicated design is easy to maintain, and it's built to withstand tough riding conditions, whether on rugged trails or the open highway. If you're shopping for one, avoid 2008 to 2009 models. They have a history of oil consumption issues. What makes the KLR 650 such a legend is its ability to handle the harshest conditions, making it the preferred choice for adventure riders who need a bike that won't quit. Number 11. Honda CX500 engine. A 500cc V-twin is proof that old-school reliability still holds up. With proper care, many CX500 engines have exceeded 200,000 miles. And the best part? It's still easy to work on. Featuring a transverse V-twin and a shaft drive system, the design keeps things simple yet highly effective. The CX500's low-maintenance design and durable build make it a classic in the motorcycling world. Whether you're on the road or working on the bike, it's user-friendly. Be sure to update the cam chain tensioner if you're working on an early model, as that was a weak point in the early years. Its simplicity and reliability make the Honda CX500 an enduring choice even today, with many still running after decades of use. Check out the description if you want to grab the secret tools I personally use on my motorcycles. Number 10. Yamaha VMAX engine. This one is with its 1,679 cubic centimeter V4 power plant, delivers monstrous torque and performance. While its sheer size and power may seem intimidating, this engine can comfortably hit 100,000 miles or more with proper care. Its overbuilt design is ready to take on heavy use, making it the perfect companion for those who enjoy aggressive riding. The VMAX engine is designed to handle serious power without faltering. It's built tough and meant to last. Keep an eye on the oil pump, as early models had some known issues in that department. Its durability under high-performance conditions has made it a favorite for performance enthusiasts who want a bike that can go the distance, both in terms of power and longevity. Number 9. BMW Boxer Engine. BMW's iconic Boxer engine in the R1200 series is one of the most enduring engine designs in the motorcycle world. This 1,170cc flat-twin engine is famous for its smooth operation and over 200,000 miles of longevity. The air-oil-cooled engine offers excellent balance and low center of gravity, making it ideal for long-distance touring. The Boxer engine offers smooth, reliable performance, especially on long rides. Its design also makes it easier to maintain, even with high mileage. Regular oil changes and shaft drive maintenance are key to keeping this engine in top shape. Touring riders love the Boxer engine for its smooth power delivery and its ability to provide comfort and reliability on the longest journeys. Number 8. Harley-Davidson Evolution Evo engine. This engine is perhaps one of the most iconic motorcycle engines of all time. This 1,340 cubic centimeter V-twin engine is known for its rugged design and straightforward maintenance. It can last well over 150,000 miles with ease, making it one of Harley's most reliable and enduring designs. The Evo engine's simplicity and durability make it a workhorse, capable of enduring years of heavy use and still running strong. Watch out for oil leaks and excessive oil consumption in some models, though this isn't a universal issue. The Evo is known for its classic Harley sound and its ability to keep going through years of tough riding. Riders often swear by its reliability, especially on long-distance cruises. Number 7. Suzuki DR 650 Engine. It is favorite for dual sport riders, offering the perfect blend of durability and versatility. Its 644 cubic centimeter single-cylinder engine can easily last over 100,000 miles, making it a solid choice for adventure riders. The DR 650 is built to handle both off-road trails and highway riding with equal ease. The engine is tough, simple to maintain, and ideal for long-term reliability, especially in rugged conditions. If you're looking at used models, avoid the 1998 to 1999 models. They had issues with the starter mechanism. The DR 650 is trusted by many for both dirt and street riding, making it a go-to for adventurers who need a bike they can depend on no matter the terrain. If you're enjoying this list so far, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. You don't want to miss out on more tips, reviews, and secrets to keeping your bike running forever. Also, make sure to check out the rest of the list. You'll be amazed by what's coming next. Number 6. Honda Goldwing Flat 6 Engine. When it comes to motorcycles built for long-distance comfort and durability, this one is the undisputed champion. The 1,833 cubic centimeter Flat 6 engine delivers power smoothly and efficiently, and it's not uncommon for these engines to surpass 200,000 miles with ease. Its reputation for reliability is unmatched, and its low-stress operation is perfect for riders who spend hours in the saddle. The Goldwing's engine is built for the long haul. With a low-stress design and smooth power delivery, it's ideal for riders who need a motorcycle that can go for miles without missing a beat. Ensure regular maintenance of the cooling and electrical systems to keep the engine running smoothly over time. The Goldwing's vibration-free operation and legendary comfort make it a favorite for touring enthusiasts. Riders often report decades of use with minimal issues, which is why it's considered the pinnacle of touring motorcycle engines. Number 5. Kawasaki Ninja ZX-6R Engine. It is the dream bike for sport bike lovers. This 636 cubic centimeter inline-4 engine is a high-performance powerhouse, capable of reaching over 100,000 miles if cared for properly. Its liquid-cooled, fuel-injected system provides a balance of speed and longevity that few bikes can match. This engine is designed for both aggressive riding and durability, making it perfect for riders who want the thrill of a sport bike without sacrificing reliability. Regularly check the valve clearance and keep up with oil changes to ensure long-term performance. The Ninja ZX-6R strikes the perfect balance between track-level performance and street durability. It's known for its lightweight handling and how well it holds up even after aggressive riding sessions. Number 4. Yamaha FZ1 Engine. This engine is an excellent all-around performer. With its 998 cubic centimeter inline-4 engine, it delivers strong power and reliability, easily surpassing 100,000 miles when well-maintained. This bike is known for its versatility, able to handle both sport riding and long-distance commutes with ease. Its robust construction and strong components allow it to maintain excellent performance over time. The engine is built to last, making it one of the best choices for those who need a versatile motorcycle. Be mindful of the cam chain tensioner, as some models have had issues in the past. The FZ1 is one of Yamaha's finest all-around street bikes. Its balanced power and handling make it a favorite among riders who need a bike that can do it all. Number 3. Honda VFR 800 Engine. It is a masterclass in engineering. This 781 cubic centimeter V4 engine offers a combination of smooth power delivery and reliability, with many units easily reaching over 100,000 miles. It features a VTEC system that optimizes performance at both low and high RPMs, giving riders a perfect mix of power and efficiency. The VFR 800's engineering is a prime example of reliability. The VTEC system enhances both low-end torque and high rev power, making it a joy to ride in any situation. Regularly check the VTEC system to ensure it's operating as designed, as issues can arise with improper maintenance. The VFR 800's versatility makes it ideal for both sporty riding and long-distance touring, offering one of the smoothest, most reliable rides out there. Number 2. KTM 690 Enduro Engine. This one is a true beast when it comes to off-road endurance. With a 690 cubic centimeter single-cylinder engine, it can endure over 50,000 miles with diligent maintenance. Its liquid-cooled, fuel-injected system is designed to take on harsh off-road conditions without faltering. Built for extreme durability, the KTM 690 Enduro is perfect for adventure riders who need a bike that can withstand everything from rough trails to demanding weather conditions. Regular oil changes and air filter maintenance are essential to keep this powerhouse running strong. With its lightweight construction and powerful engine, the KTM 690 Enduro is one of the best choices for serious off-road enthusiasts. It's made to tackle whatever the trail throws at it. Number 1. Honda CB750 Engine. And the best one is widely regarded as the king of longevity in the motorcycle world. This 750cc inline-4 engine has become a legend, with many units exceeding 200,000 miles with proper care. Its robust construction, precision engineering, and ease of maintenance have made it one of the most beloved engines in motorcycling history. The CB750 was one of the first bikes to feature an overhead cam design, revolutionizing the industry. Its precision engineering ensures it runs smoothly, even with high mileage. Regular valve adjustments and timing chain checks are necessary to keep this engine in top condition. What sets the CB750 apart is its simplicity and versatility. Parts are interchangeable, making repairs easy and affordable. It's no surprise that this bike is still running strong decades after its release.